Hi guys, it's me Mustafa here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into an animation, a comic book animation like this one. Let's begin. Alright guys, so I just said like 2 seconds ago, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into an animation like I just did. You don't need any software or anything, you just need your phone and an app that I'm going to show you, and that's basically it. And you can like turn yourself into an animation, you can turn your surroundings into an animation. Well, not exactly an animation, like a comic book animation. Yeah, so let's begin. So first you're gonna go into App Store, and then you're gonna search up Clips, and then you're gonna click this first one over here. Since I already have it downloaded, I don't have to download it, I just open it. Then it should take you to somewhere that looks like this. I'm gonna quickly cover my camera, but actually never mind. And so you are gonna go click the star, go on filters, and then select the comic one. And so it should look like this, but there are some other ones like Comic Ink, and more, and you can explore them later, but now we're going to use this one. And this is a pretty easy way to I guess animate. Yeah, that's my face, that's how I would look in a comic book. I just quickly made this video of like my house animated, and I figured it's better, like it looks better when there's a places in. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. This animating thing that I just showed you, it's pretty fun. Just like you need to set the light right, like if you're gonna so it's easy this way because you don't have to use Blender or Krita or any other animating software. You can just like film it in real life, and then it just turns itself into an animation. Yeah, it might be better to just make it not animated, but it's like this is also a good way. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you want other people to learn this too. Bye.